you guys like carrot cake, because that is what I'm showing you how to make today. It is this baby here. I wrapped some of the layers up already. This is what it looks like. I didn't add pecans or raisins in this one, but you can if you like. We're gonna go ahead and shred the carrots. So first things first, I'm gonna shred them using my KitchenAid shredder. You want 3 cups. Okay, go ahead and put the carrots aside. This is about 3 cups. I just eyeballed it. Wait. So now you're gonna mix the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and ground cloves. But I'm gonna sift it. So this is the flour. I have everything here. Just gonna add it. This part gets so messy every time. Okay, so not too bad this time. Sometimes I have things that require like 4 cups of flour, and it's, oh my god, it goes everywhere. Okay, just put this aside. We got that here. I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a good stir to incorporate everything. Put that aside. Now we're gonna go ahead and put together our wet ingredients. I'm just gonna use this bowl. So you're gonna mix the vegetable oil, applesauce. I use unsweetened applesauce. Granulated sugar, brown sugar. This looks so satisfying, the brown sugar. Your 4 eggs. I'm gonna crack them in a separate bowl because I forgot to put them in this bowl first, just so that no shells get inside. Add the eggs and the vanilla. I'm just using vanilla paste, but you can use whatever. Vanilla paste is really hard to get off the spoon. It's not my favorite thing to use. This. Now you're gonna go ahead and mix it all together. You can use your mixer, but I'm just gonna do it by hand. Because why not? It's a workout. Camera ran out of storage, my phone. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients to it. Just incorporate all of that. Be careful not to overmix because you don't want to overmix your flour. You want to mix it just until it's incorporated. If you overmix, your cake can become very dense. This one, I don't know if it will be though, because this cake is so moist that I have a hard time believing that it's going to get dense, but just be careful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. you just want to scrape down the bowl to make sure that there is no dry ingredients left. Now you're going to add your carrots. That's about 3 cups. Oh my god. This grater cuts the carrots super thick. I have a grater that cuts them a lot thinner so you can fit a lot more carrots in here, but I think I might just leave it at that. That was probably more like 2 cups. And then you can go ahead and add your pecans now and raisins if you would like. I'm not going to. I think I'll just leave it like that. I don't want it to be completely full with carrots. So now you're gonna go ahead and grease your cake pans. This either makes 2 8 to 9 inch cakes, but I'm gonna do 3 6 inch cakes because I want it to be a little bit taller. So I'm gonna go ahead and grease my pans, and I'll be right back. So I messed up. I'm making 6 inch cakes, not a 9 inch. So it's not 30 minutes, it's like 25. So I overcooked the first one, but I'm doing the rest now. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this into a circle so I can line my pan. So I just fold it in half. This sheet is a little wonky. It's not like a perfect square, but whatever. I'm gonna fold it again. Okay, and then you're gonna fold it. Hold on. Like this. And then fold it again. Like this. And then turn your pan over and you're gonna measure from the center of the pan and you're gonna cut right here. That way it fits right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it first. Can be a little smaller. Okay, and then go ahead and pour. Sorry, the camera's too short. Okay. You're gonna go ahead and pour the amount of batter that you want. I'm just gonna eyeball it like I usually do. I don't make the layers too thick. It's about to here. Your rice is good, so. And I'm gonna go ahead and use these cake strips. They're from Wilton, and this just helps them bake evenly so that there's no dome and the edges aren't all crisp. If you don't have this, you could do it with foil and wet paper towels. You just get like a long strip, and then you also get a long strip of paper towels, fold them into like 3s, wet the paper towel, and fold it into the foil. And then you wrap this with the foil, and it'll also do the same thing. So you just wet the strip. And wring it out. I have powder on my arms. Alright. And you just place it like this. Tighten it up. So right in the center, 350 degrees for 33 minutes. Well, 30 minutes, almost done. So here it is. This is how it looks. I went ahead and went like this to separate the cake from the pan. I'm just gonna let it cool a little bit more before I remove it, and then I'm gonna wrap it in plastic wrap just to keep the moisture in while I bake the other ones. So I baked that one for like 25 minutes. This one, I forgot I was doing a smaller size, so I put it in for 30 minutes, and it was over. I mean, it's still squishy. I could probably use it for cake pops or something, but it's probably gonna be dry. So yeah, put it in for less time if you're gonna make a smaller cake. If you're gonna make the 8 or 9 inch, then you could do like 30 to 33, but make sure you start at a lower time so that you can check it as you go. So I just tasted a little bit of the one that I thought I overcooked, and it actually still tastes really good and moist. So I probably won't even use the super thin one that I made, because this one will come out a lot better. So yeah, if you overcook it, it probably is okay. So here is the cakes. I mean, there's like 4 of them. One of them I accidentally overbaked, like I said. So this one's a little thinner because I didn't have as much batter, but I got 4. Like 2 good sizes and like 2 thin ones, so that was 6 inches. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and try it because it is delicious, and everyone that tries it loves it. I've made it so many times for orders, and everyone's always loved it. So go ahead and try it. I'm gonna go ahead and film the cream cheese frosting video as well to pair with the cake, so look out for that next. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and let me know if you tried it so that I can, yeah, let me know if you guys tried it. I love hearing when you guys try the things that I've shown you. But yeah, have a great day, guys. Bye.